As learnt already, for assignment we have got three configurations. First is assigning the company code to company, the second is assigning the company code to credit control area, and the third configuration is to assign the business area to consolidated business area. So guys, to assign the organizational units, what we have to do? For that, let's go to the configuration window. For that, I have to use SPRO. So, go to SPRO from the easy access and click on this IMG. Here, select the enterprise structure and under the enterprise structure, select the assignment. So, here under assignment, I'll be selecting this financial accounting. Can you see this? Yes, I'll be selecting this financial accounting. Here, we can see all the tasks required for us for the assignment. Now, we'll just select this assign company code to company. What we have to do, we have to select this assign company code to company. Now, go to the company code which you just created. For that, use this position button. Click on the position button and here enter your company code. So for the company code ABCC, I'll assign the company as ABCOM, and I'll click on the save button and I'll save it and I'll click OK and it will be saved under the same TR. So this completes our first activity. Yes, this completes our first activity. Now, using the back button, come back to our previous configuration screen. So now, what we have got? We have assigning the company code to credit control area. This is our next step, right? We have to assign the company code to credit control area. For that, click on the assign company code to credit control area. I'll click on the position button and enter your company code. What was our company code? It was ABCC. Enter here. Yes, assign the previously created the credit control area, that is ABCA, and save the data. Now, using the back button, come back to our previous configuration screen. Next, we have assigning the business area to consolidation business area. What we have to do? We have to assign the business area to consolidation business area. Now, click on assign business area to consolidation business area. Can you see this? Yes, you have to click on this. As discussed during the definition, we will assign Delhi and Mumbai to CBN1. I've told you before, right? I'll assign this Delhi and Mumbai to CBN1, that is North, and Bangalore and Hyderabad to CBS1. So what I'll do is, I'll click on this position button and enter the business area. What is the business area? It is BA01 and I'll click on OK. Now, what we have to do? We have to assign the consolidated business area. Correct, right? Now, assign the consolidated business area as CBN1. Enter as CBN1. Now, guys, repeat the same step for BA02. Now, assign the consolidated business area CBS1 for the business area BA03 and BA04. I repeat, assign the consolidated business area CBS1 for business area BA03 and BA04. Now what I'll do? I'll save the configuration under the same TR by clicking OK. With this, you have completed all the activities related to assignment of organizational units in FI. That means, in definition, you have created the company code, business area and consolidation business area. This was about the definition. And in assignment, you have assigned the company code to company code to credit control area and business area to consolidation business area. So guys, the good news is the organization is set up in SAP. So, let's make some settings to its financial accounting in SAP in upcoming videos. Okay?